Hi everyone, and welcome back to another instructional video from Forest River. This one's about the front tongue jacks used on the Wildwood and Salem divisions. I'm Sean Fitzsimmons, Warranty Administrator for your Wildwoods, and let's get into it. This is your tongue jack. Your tongue jack can be operated on shore core power or battery power. Has two switches on the front. One obviously is a light, and the other is to raise up and down. Now the tongue jack does a couple of things for us. The first one, it actually separates the RV from the tow vehicle itself. And secondly, it actually levels out the front and the back of the unit. First, there's a couple of things that have to happen though. First one, we need to remove the actual RV from the hitch ball itself. And that is by unlocking that right there. You're now able to push up, or the up arrow button, to operate the tongue jack to raise up enough to where you can clear the unit out just enough to be able to clear the actual length of the hitch ball area. Now we can lower the unit back down to our desired level, be able to come out, detach our safety chains, and also detach our 7-way cord. Now if the motor fails on your tongue jack, it can be operated manually. Before you do so, you'll need to remove the LP covers, which, as you can see, I've already done here. All you do is twist and pull off the cap, and inside of this hole there is a hex screw, a hexagon screw, and this is the manual crank that comes within your RV itself. So you're able to attach and then manually raise or lower the unit to your desire.